Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I'm going to show you how to add user or marketer on your Google My Business profile. So to do this, first of all, you have to search your business name on Google. If you already created your business on Google My profile or Google My Business profile, then you can easily find it. Just search the business name. You see, I have searched the business name that I have created, and you have to do same things. And if you already don't not any account, or you have not created your business account on Google My Business, then you can check the video I have shared in this video description, how to create Google My Business profile or Google My Business account, or how you can add your business information to get verify instantly of your business. Also, you can know the in details about benefit and step-by-step process to add it on Google My Business profile. So when you have completed this process after watching this video, the video link in my video description of this video description, also you will find on the comment top pinned comment how to create Google My Business account. Then you will find same interface. So when you are there right now, you have to click on this three dot icon. Very simple. Then you can click on the business profile settings and simply click on the people and access. Click on it, then click on the add. Now you have to add your manager email in here and click on the send invite, and your manager will get an invitation to your manager email, and he can accept it, and then he can do full marketing for your business. So I hope you understand how to add person or add manager on your Google My Business, and you can do it right now for your business. So it's very important to do proper marketing, complete SEO project, or get potential customers from the search result. You must have to work on the Google My Business regularly. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any more support relevant to Google My Business, SEO, marketing, or Shopify or WordPress website design, development, or customization, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.